Even after 25 years, the LS1 Fbody pump is one of the most popular power steering pumps used on LS-based accessory drives. We see them used quite a lot in the drift space and the pro touring space. However, there are an increasing amount of aftermarket accessory drive kits that use this pump, but they're making it difficult in the factory configuration to get your hoses connected and routed appropriately. And so that's why we've came out with a brand new product for turn one, our bottom outlet LS1 Fbody pump. Stick around because I'll explain what the issue is, how this pump solves it, and hopefully that will answer whether or not this pump is right for you. Before I dive into our new pump, let me quickly talk about what is a bottom outlet pump. And at turn one, we use bottom outlet and top outlet pump to refer to the housing style and where the high pressure fitting is located. And this is a relative thing, but you'll notice this across our site. So I have some different examples of top outlet and bottom outlet pumps. And what a top outlet simply means is when the return connection, whether that's an AN threaded connection, whether it's a tube, or even whether it's an attached reservoir, when that return connection is oriented at 3 o'clock position, the top outlet is going to point straight up at 12 o'clock. A bottom outlet pump is going to point straight down at 6 o'clock. Now the factory LS1 Fbody pump, and really when I say LS1, I'm talking about the 98 to 02 Camaro and Firebird that ran the LS1. This was a unique pump style to that engine and vehicle. This is a top outlet pump, but what they did is they took that same orientation and they just rotated the pump 90 degrees. So instead of a side attached reservoir that feeds in from 3 o'clock, this feeds in from 12 o'clock, which then puts your pressure port oriented at 9 o'clock. For actual Camaros and Firebirds with factory accessory drives, or even if you're LS swapped but you're running a factory accessory drive, the top outlet pump is still the best option for you. And these aren't going anywhere for us. They're one of our most popular pumps. We have these in a few different configurations. This is still a great pump for you, and you can find all that information on our website. The issue with some of the aftermarket accessory drives that I mentioned is that they're using this pump. However, the bracketry that they have is crowding the passenger side of the pump. And so especially when you have to run an extended AN6 pressure fitting to clear the pulley, when you start crowding this fitting, it makes your hose connection at minimum very, very difficult. And I know of one or two where it's almost impossible to figure out this high pressure connection on the accessory drive. So what we've done is we've simply swapped housings and created a bottom outlet Fbody. So essentially this is going to flip your pressure port from 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock, where there's typically loads more space on the passenger side. And it's a simple change, but it can make a huge world of difference. The reservoir connection is going to be in the exact same spot, and you're going to still be able to get this with the factory 3/8 inch tube connection. That's just a clamp. Or you can get it with our AN6 reservoir adapter fitting if you want an AN connection on the reservoir. Right now, this pump is available on our site for order. We only have it in our HP2 series configuration. If you're not sure what that is, you can watch a video that we just released talking about our different series and how the tuning changes are different and which one is essentially right for your application. Our HP2 series has been our most popular spec for this bottom outlet pump. We've been doing a lot of these for drift. I think we're working on one or two for off-road applications. And that simple change, like I said, makes a big, big difference. So if you're running an accessory drive that is really crowded with your LS1 pump and you need a pump upgrade, this is the pump to look at. Just like always, if you have any questions about this pump or any other pump, which one is best for you, go to our website, turn1steering.com, and either send us an email or call us, and we will talk through your application, your vehicle, all the important details to spec you out a pump that is right for your vehicle. Thanks for watching.